All right, number 10. Kind of a big problem here. We have a quadrilateral, four sides. You're supposed to graph it or draw it. So 2, 4 exists. It's point E. 5, 1 exists. It's point F. 4, negative 3 exists. Point G. And 2, negative 1 exists. That's point H. I actually did this video earlier, but I did not give you an XY axis, and I just didn't like it, so I deleted that part to give you something nice to draw on, because it helps. Now, you're supposed to, in part 2, give a matrix representing this thing, and the way they work is XY. You have to take your horizontal points and draw them vertically, so that's kind of interesting. But anyways, where are we at here? So 2, 4, 5, negative 1, 4, negative 3. You can actually do it either way. You can actually do an X column and a Y column, or you can just list your points vertically. How you do it depends, changes order operations around when you're working with matrices. Anyways, here we go with that one. Multiply the quadratic matrix by this thing, state the resulting matrix. Now this is a 2 by 2, all right, and this is a 2 by 4. So this matrix is going to have to be first. You're going to do it like this: 0, negative 1, negative 1, 0, and then that guy. And I'm just going to put it in my calculator. And for some reason, I'm kind of doing things out of order here, but whatever. Probably tired. You guys have already gone home for the day. All right. I put it in matrix A. B should be this one. I do have to pay attention to the order I do things. So, I've got to do, in my case, B times A. And here's the result. So the result is pretty weird looking, isn't it? We go back 4 and down 2. That's interesting. To the right 1, down 5. To the right 3, down 4. And to the right 1 and down 2. What happened? It says draw the resulting made image and state the transformation. What happened? The real question is, how do we need to describe it? And are things right? Something just looks different. They're not the same anymore, are they? Makes me wonder if I have a typo. Or I do have a typo. It's right there. There's my problem. It's supposed to be a positive one. Milbrath had a typo. That was supposed to be a positive one. Don't know why I did that, but I did. Let's try this again. All right, so we have 4, -2, -1, -5. Ah, there's the problem. That point's supposed to be there. That's where I screwed up. Sorry. So what happened here? Something interesting happened here. That's the line of reflection. It was a reflection. It was reflection on the line y equals -x. I'm tempted to call it origin reflection, but I don't think it is. It's a reflection on that particular line, and that's y equals -x. Your next thing you're supposed to do is find the quadrilateral's area. And there's lots of ways of doing this. One of the easiest things to do, though, is to kind of outline a rectangle. I don't know if you can see what I outlined there. I guess I could use like a dry erase marker, kind of make it bigger and bolder. And then in order to find the area of this parallel or this quadrilateral, it's not a parallelogram, I have the area of a rectangle, and I'm going to take away the area of a couple of triangles. There's 1, 2, 3 triangles in it. So the rectangle would be 3 by 7. And I'm going to start taking away these areas of these triangles. This triangle is a 2 by 2, looks like to me. So take away 1/2 of a 2 by 2. This triangle is a 1 by 4. Take away half of a 1 by 4. And take away half of a triangle that's 3 by 3. So that's kind of an interesting problem. 3 times 7 is 21. Half of 2 is 2. Sorry, half of 2 is 1 times 2 is 2. Half of 4 is 2. So take away another 2. And this one will be a fraction. It'll be take away 9/2, 4.5, whatever you like. Anyways, there you go. That'd be 25, 23, 19, 18.5. So it's 18.5 square units. There's all the work for that. 18.5 square units. It is an 18, sorry. And I'm done. I don't have any more energy to give you guys. It's late. My head hurts. I'm done. As soon as I figure out how to get this turned off, I'm done.